Hi guys, Saturday the 16th of July, first day charity shopping for a week or so after a bit of self-isolation. Not a lot caught my eye. I will show you a few video clips in a minute. I did decide to buy this, just one of those little wooden kits. This one's actually the Bristol Bulldog, number 403, because that's what it says down there. £1.50. I did do something, I don't think it was the same one, it might have been the same one sometime in the past, and to be honest it was a pretty rubbish kit. The bits just didn't fit together very well. But we'll give it another go. It just says Legends of the Air. Yeah, okay, well we'll have a go at that at some time. I'll put it in my stock. Then in Poundland, I bought myself a fluttering butterfly, solar powered, because I keep talking about fluttering butterflies when I'm actually showing people the hovering hummingbird, which is exactly the same thing. This one's got a little hummingbird on it. There's this one. Couple of stakes, solar panel, electric motor. Stick that on there, and when it gets a bit of sunshine on there, it spins round. So exactly the same as the other one. It's just that the butterfly is the one that I had first many years ago. It likes direct sunlight. Let's see if we can find some. So I did lots of projects with fluttering butterflies, so every time I talk about the hovering hummingbird, I'm actually saying fluttering butterfly. Does that make any sense? I'm waffling really, aren't I? But there you are, that's what a fluttering butterfly looks like. And if we wander along here far enough, underneath Nanny's washing, up there is a hovering hummingbird. So yeah, that's the one that I was using, bought before. Done a few videos on it, but every time I talk about it I keep calling it a fluttering butterfly. So I finally bought one, so we can contrast and compare. Yeah, wasn't that fun? I'll show you what I didn't buy today now. Oh, and something I didn't buy a week or so ago when we were on holiday and we popped into Kingsbridge. Only one item caught my eye down there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.